Okay, so hello future developers, so welcome to this project. So here we are going to learn to insert a new column into our dataset. So to do that, as you can see here, I just add a testing dataset, testing column. So let's try adding a new column into our dataset. So I'll add a cell, new cell, and then I'm going to type df, so data frame, that's the variable I used. So df square brackets and then quotation comments. Then I'm going to type the name of the new column I would want to insert. So I'm using new underscore cases. Okay. Then outside the square brackets, I'm going to use equals, and then I'll type as a parenthesis, and then df square brackets, and then I'll put the quotation comments, and I'm going to pick any of the names here. Okay, so remember we are just doing some dummy exploration. We are not doing actual like exploration. So DF cases newly reported in last 7 days. Okay. And then I'm going to divide it. So divide, and then I'll create another data frame. So DF, and then square brackets, parentheses, sorry, square brackets, and then quotation comments. And I'm going to copy another column name. Okay, so let's paste it here. Okay, so I use cases newly reported in the last 24 hours, and then I'm going to multiply by 100. Okay, so when I multiply by 100, I'm going to type df, so df, and then when I run it, you can see here we have a new column, new cases inserted. Okay, so we've inserted a new column called new cases. So similarly, you can do for other operations, divide, multiply, add, and the likes. So divided by df and then new cases here. Okay. Let's try another one. Okay, so you can see here I created artificial cases underscore artificial cases equals to df new cases and then divided, and here this summation. So let's try summing. Okay, so df and then square brackets and then sum underscore covered set, sum underscore covered set, and then I have to put in parenthesis, sorry, where's the name, quotation comments, and then equals, and then parentheses, then I'll put square brackets inside the parentheses. Then I'll copy the name that I want to add. Okay, so paste it here, and then use plus. Okay, so plus, then df square brackets, quotation comments, and then let's see. So I want to add the testing cases with the new cases. So let me copy the new cases, and I'll paste it inside the quotation comments. Okay, so let's run it df. Okay, so we have an error. So where would that error? So where's the error? What is the error? np.ndre. Okay, so the error should be, I think we missed the df. We missed the df. Okay, so I think yeah. So let's put a type a df here, and then let's run it. Okay, so when run it, you can see we are going to have a new column inserted called sum COVID sets. Okay, so from the addition of testing cases and the new cases, we have a new column called sum cases. Okay, sum underscore cases. Okay. So let's add a new cell. Then let's try doing dropping. So here I want to drop the sum COVID sets. Okay, so we want to take it out of the column. So use df df equals, and then we will use df dot drop, and then square brackets, and then which quotation comments, and then we'll put in the name that you want to drop. So you can, any of the columns you want to drop, you just copy them and then you put them inside. So put it here. So let's paste it here. Okay, and then we'll just use df, so comma. So you'll need to the axis, should it be vertical or horizontal? Okay, so when it's vertical, use axis equals 1. 1 means we are going to drop from the column, and I think we have 0 and 1. Okay, so we want to use axis equal to 1, which is going to be a vertical dropping of our data. So remember, I forgot to add the parentheses. Okay, so df, and then when you run it, we should get that. So you can see our covered sum covered set is out of the data set. Okay, that's it how to draw a column. Thank you.